Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a simple everyday Moong Dal or yellow lentil recipe. This is an easy recipe with few ingredients, no onion, no garlic, yet so flavorful. Let's make it together. Let's take a look at the ingredients now. We need half a cup of Moong Dal or yellow lentil, half a cup of chopped tomatoes, half a cup of coriander leaves, a 1 by 1 inch piece of ginger roughly chopped, 2 green chilies or to taste, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Hing or Asafoetida, half a teaspoon of powdered black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ghee and salt to taste. Alright, let's get started. Rinse the Moong Dal 2 to 3 times with water and add it to a pot. Then add around 3 cups of water to it. Some people like to roast the Moong Dal for like 2 to 5 minutes before washing it and then boiling it. You can do it if you like, I prefer it this way. Now add around half a teaspoon of salt to the water. Give it a stir and bring it up to a boil. As the water starts to boil, you'll see white foam starts to form. Make sure to discard this foam. If you leave it in, it gives the dal a viscous, sticky texture and it also interferes with the taste. Once you've discarded most of the white foam, you can set the heat to low and then place the lid on. Now let the dal simmer on low heat for around 7 to 10 minutes. The lentils should be nice and soft by now. Okay, looks good. Now set this aside. Now let's make a simple tadka for the dal. To a grinder jar, add green chilies, ginger and coriander leaves. Grind this to a coarse paste like this. Set that aside. Now set a pot on medium heat and add around 1 tablespoon oil to it. Add in the cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start to splutter, add in the Hing or Asafoetida. Then add in the chopped tomatoes and some salt to taste. Now stir fry the tomatoes for a minute or so. And then add in the ginger coriander chili paste that we made. Stir fry this also for a minute or so. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, consider giving me a thumbs up. Now add in the boiled dal, fresh lime juice and powdered black pepper. Give that a good mix. Now cover and cook for another 2 minutes so that all the flavors come together. If you haven't already, you can consider subscribing to my channel. I post recipes every week. Last but not least, add ghee. Making a paste of ginger, coriander leaves and chilies really enhances the taste of this dal. You should try it. Now let's give it a taste and add more salt if you need to. All done! Wasn't that easy? I love to have this with white rice or with roti. A good accompaniment to this is a simple potato fry. You can click for the recipe right here. Or my personal favorite is crisp coriander pakoda with steaming hot white rice and this dal. If you enjoyed this recipe, do share it with your friends. You can find me on all these different social media sites. Do visit my blog for the written recipes. All the links are in the description. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next week with another exciting recipe. Bye-bye.